It is another day on the van build. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. And today we're going to continue the deconstruction of the rig here. Specifically, I need to check out water damage on some of this paneling here. But I want to take it out in an intelligent way. I don't want to just remove it willy-nilly here. I want to try to remove whole panels because it'll be easy to use them for templates. So that's the plan for today. As you can see up here, there's a lot of water damage over there. I don't know if you can see how discolored it is there. So that is the plan for today. One big problem down here on the panel and the panel covers, the screws are all rusted on here. So what I'm having to do is drill out the heads to get that removed, to be able to pull this cover plate off of here. It's a big job. You see the rust down here is really fierce. The covering is coming off of the box, so it's going to take some work to bring that back for sure. This gives you a good idea. I finally got it off. I had to drill through all of the screw heads here. But to give you an idea of the rust on here. So we're going to see if we can restore that and prime that, at least for a start. So it's going to need a real good sanding down and all the baffles and everything on there. So
there we go.
There you go. So let me get you set up with the proper tools.
All right.
They're probably not your favorite work, nor mine, but
yeah,
you can see the intense bad shape that this covers in.
Covers in.
All water damage down here. So
yeah, we're
going downtown on that with the wire brush first.
Get all that rust off there.
All the paint, the rust is removed the paint. We'll go over that with some sandpaper. Marshall, I'll let you go to it.
All right.
Okay. Stripping this down to the frame now, and the frame is very solid. I'm very happy about that. The looks like the paneling absorbed most of the punishment on it. This needs to be cleaned out down here, and we're gonna fit underneath of that. Yeah, so we'll get the there's a lot of crustiness in there that's got to be cleaned out. So, but the frame is very solid, and that's the important thing in here. All right, that's been first coated. It's already looking a lot better with the primer on it there. I'm pretty happy with that. We pulled the sink out. We're still doing deconstruction in here. And the big job here is Marshall's cutting away the rotten carpet over there by the water pump and everything. And I'm slowly removing the facing of the cabinet. The sink has been removed, the stove. I need to use this as, very importantly, for a template here. So, yep, that's where we stand right now. Big jobs, big deconstruction today, but we're almost at the point we're going to start constructing. So,
yep.
All right, Marshall. There's Marshall under the rig removing the seatbelt bolts.
You got a bigger one?
Yeah, I'm recording a video right now. All right, he's down there removing the bolts. Short video today, but a lot of ugly demo to get all down to the framing here. So I'm pretty satisfied with this today. Just cleaning up the facing of the cabinetry. He's removing 2 bolts for seat belts there. We're getting all the old carpet up here. So there it is, another big day of progress on the van restoration. Thanks for watching, everybody.